Okay guys, just open your settings, then select connections. Then you can see option of NFC and contactless payment. Just tap on that text, not the button. Then you can see options is here. Just turn on this NFC and contactless payment option. Just tap on that button. Then you can select contactless payments like Google Pay, Boting, and also you can use others from options. Then you can also add Android digital car key. If your car or your vehicle support NFC keyless entry, you can simply add your access to that from here, Android car key. So it's very useful options. Okay guys, if you need, you can enable from here. Let's just tick on that left side button. That's it. So, and also you can control which payment option defaultly open for NFC payment from here. Okay guys, that's it. Okay, if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.